Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection. The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Yes, welcome to Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection. It is a Tuesday, and so Sihlala Ndaba Mieza, who is a mental health practitioner and a cultural historian. Topics are mostly men-driven to make sure that as a madoda, siya understand ukuthi impilo zethu siphile kanjani. Being kept accountable and of course advisani with these izinto esifacea from day to day life. Baba Mieza sikubingelele namhlanje. Thank you for joining us.
Abaleli beGagas, and thank the universe for this most powerful period in the year that we're going to spend. Inshallah, God willing. You know, Kaya, this topic is very, very sensitive because I said last year to both of you, let's use this year to educate men on self-regulation so that they don't go out to regulate women. Thus, they are constantly branded as ill-equipped to handle the postmodern woman, then rendered as GBV sense.
Sure.
Now, abantu besilisa bayidinga emotional and nervous system regulation so that they can retain and maintain healthy masculinity. Now, here's the deal. Ziningi izinto eyixhoza ziphile off equality of your manliness.
Sure.
Manliness. And one of those ukuthi uvume, because 99% of the time, Sonic, abantu besifazane who push us in this direction, kukhona izinto efale sibe firm kha singayivumi. And one of those, regarding, unless maybe a profession yakho is solely dependent on media, movies and stuff like that, that's understandable. But ngizama ukukhuza insizwa ezithola aggrieved zenza izinto later on ezizoyi-regret. E.g., flaunting your relationship, especially intimate relationship, on social media has got negative psychological effects.
And that's what we're talking about now.
That's what we're talking about today.
Mina babdabe personally, I'm a firm believer ukuthi into umuntu angayazi ngeke attack.
That's true.
Nanokuthi mina I believe ukuthi empilweni ngidlala ukhasino. Ikhadi libalekile uyalifihla. Umama.
Wait.
What motivates men to post abantu babo, ama relationship babo on social media? Are we saying it's completely wrong to do so, or are we saying that there's negative?
Psychology literature, I want to emphasize, psychology literature has proven that you only post when you feel uneasy and you're anxious with yourself. The moment you post John 3:16, we can tell what's going on. The moment you go to the book of Proverbs, you know, then wisdom sayings all over, and then harvesting wisdom and posting them in your own space. That's a painful journey towards self-unrealization. Nongazazi ukuthi ufunani empilweni yakho. Okay, nazi izinto engathanda umuntu wesilisa aphile ngaphansi kwazo ngoba zixhoza ngizophindela kule gama zixhoza ubudoda bakhe. One, i-digital validation.
What is that?
Digital validation ukuthi uzoloku ugijima ubambe ifoni yakho ufuna ubone ama-likes akho kangakanani. That will cause your brain to secrete cortisol, which is a stress hormone. Engakuthandi futhi i-surveillance fatigue ebangwa ukuthi every time fanele ubehave ngendlela ethile ukuze uthole approval.
Sure.
And if that approval is not forthcoming, then bese usinka into some type of depression, sadness or anxiety.
Ipastor yona idlala iphi indima?
Iyayidlala because angiwathanda ama-curated relationships.
Okay.
Especially when you're talking about the past here. Ukuthi ugcina usubamba umnyango we-past ukuthi ungafikeleli kule mirror image that you are projecting here online.
Okay.
Ngoba uzocomment, umakhalana kwakho ngeke nizocomment hayi kahle bo.
Nje.
Usoniki lo. Hawu lo washingane ka-anti ekhwelisile wangakhokha wayiphika. Now you wake up with 1.8 criticism against yourself. Ukababoni ondabeni osonic nokhabe phushe emkhaba siyabazi phela thina. You know. Lento engeke ngiyibuke manje Khaya, you have standing ovations in concert Great Halls Sonic, he leaves the whole flat, women screaming for more of his craft. Go to Ekaya, you are so disrespected. I call that the Napoleon syndrome.
What is that?
In Napoleon syndrome, indoda ethandwa emphakathini kodwa totally disrespected by the world.
What causes that?
Angithi umuzibusana mesebethi ayiswithathe bangakuscreamela nje abangani bakho uhamba maholo uhamba itidam bekuscreamela la mina ngiscream la uzokwenza intando
kodwa wafika escream
wafika escream njalo yabo usethi kubantu lo Sonic wena akasasho ukuthi sithanda
Sonic wakhe.
Yeah. Now, enye into engihlukumeza kakhulu because it has got a negative impact on one's mental health, the comparison fatigue. Comparing your relationship
to others.
Iyalimazana, Sonic, and it's not easy to come back from.
Is that a valid reason to end a relationship?
In most cases, abantu abaningi they end it because we protect our mental health. Remember, we actually mentioned last year ukuthi whilst women were crying ukuthi asikho safe, all of a sudden we are realizing that no, not asikho safe ukubona asikho angazi abantu sona bayithatha phi le lateral power ukuthi bona baclaim ukuthi nje we women are not safe. No, we are not safe with them. Khona abantu besifazana no threadayo kuye ekhaya umugodi ukuthi oje awengabeka ukuthi wani ngabe kuzokwenza
khona umngane wami ehlala emotweni akhali i-hour before ke nendlini.
We are going to talk about getting home and staying in the car for an hour. It has got positive and negatives, but ubhlungile kokunegative uthi usukusazama ukaddressa putting an energy at this ocabanga ukuthi uzoba acceptable kulomuntu yongana naye endlini.
Sihlelo ndaba miyaza right on into Daikali and isikhuluma namhlanje ngodaba olunzima kakhulu. Men who are comfortable in posting their relationships on social media.
Indo Daikali on the Mayday Connection.
Hlaba umufisa ukuphefumula nokuphawula kulolu daba esikhuluma ngawo uthumela ivoice note yakho ku WhatsApp njengamanje ku 0638399959. We want to hear from you right here on Indo Daikali. Njengoba sikhuluma ke ngamajita ke who are comfortable in posting ama relationships ku social media. You know this one time buffet hey ngoba ngakaposti mama kancinzana nalo ngalesa sikhathi. Aliposta ku WhatsApp stories yabo. Kanti uzokhomenta umjita engimazi ukuthi nje isikede akasibheki. And comment yakhe engacaca ukuthi yaphi ayinokuhleka phakathi ayingihlukumezanga kanje le yato ngingedwa.
Angithi i-performance you go into what we call i-performance trap and emotional burnout. Exactly, yeah. You see leyanto nje angithi ukubona ni on set so bathathu have been on set.
Yes.
How you have to curate a certain face that is acceptable, where you sacrifice the present moment for an experience. Leonto ikoza i-burnout enzima kabi. You can imagine therefore every time you go home your brain releases the cortisol.
Sure.
Ufile maintain a relationship yakho under stress. Khona la uzohamba kuhambe khona ucrumble. And once you crumble from there, you don't want to come back from that because it was very difficult for you to maintain that fake look. Bese kuba khona okwesibili ke Sonic, you'll experience is totally reduced self-worth and emotional distress. Mangenzeki ngendlela ufuna ngayo ama likes engekho your body just goes into depression and anxiety.
And it comes to the next question ngoba ubeka lelo point ndabe ukuthi mhlambe u-social media siphila nawo i-era yethu isimanje manje ngabe usureplaceile nama real emotions.
Replaceile. Yeah, some of the emotions that we are expressing are not real. See, expressing the design one desire abantu. People are dictating how you should look. What smells like a besinja. There is something wrong about him. Kukhona enye couple enkulu engikholwa ukuthi lento abazama ukusikhombisana was not true. They pretend as if they were separating. And I can't.
Le social media, ne?
Yeah.
The trend.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you now.
You're not the first person to show that. Untando no pesh or something.
Yes. You know, walini depression abantu abanganekiyona.
Hayibo.
Abanye bathe kodwa bangasenza kanjani ukukhisimusuka in the middle of a relationship. Bazosikhombisa nje. These people are cruel. I get imanhood yasiyaqala. Ungamfundisa umuntu wesifazane. And mina, this is what I did. I analyzed our society. That I'm worried.
Yeah.
So Kai out yahlangana nengane ye ku restaurant wayishela bajola wayigelezisa attorney today, and they've been the eight couple and icherisa money and the relationship.
But uTundabe he doubts ukuthi bahlukene.
But I'm updating you to
I got
WhatsApp.
you, so that I know.
I think they're still playing the content issue. The psychological damage of content in our minds. Let's go for men. Let's go for men. Indoda Aikali.
Yeah.
I think men this year must take a stand. Who are they? What defines them? Are they defined by social media? Ama likes, nama rejections? Imithi manje mthetho eqinile enqotho ethandekayo eyamukelekayo ezobekwa amadoda in maintaining ama relationship are healthy now. Are we still going to be fed drama, tragedy and uneasiness, or we're going to see men going through an airport revolution where they're going to demonstrate manliness, masculinity coupled, so that you can realize ubuhle bokuba indoda in the millennium? Noma sazobuye ukuthi towards the end of the astrology GPV, which has become a phenomenon. Iqala ngo-October, November, i-escalate ngo-December, ibisingathi iyafa kancane ngo-February.
So in your view, manje, Ndabe, what is the cost to that relationship ephilwa publicly with social media?
It causes distress, and it can lead to a painful breakup.
Sure.
Khona izinto ezenzekile ongafuni uphinda uyibone because they can cause a trigger to you. Yeah.
And offline, I asked you, Guti, where is there room for black love? Because we're in an era where black love has got bad rep. So we're saying that it's altogether wrong kumpost umuntu wakho ngempela ni happy nise holdini or happy birthday or happy anniversary muntu wami. Is it completely off to do izinto enjalo in celebrating those
congratulatory clips, affirmation clips, expression of love clips? That's enough.
Sure.
Engakufuni is when the camera moves into your bedroom. It moves into your intimacy. It moves into your life. You know, that's taking it too far.
Sure.
Mina bafethu ngisamile la ngime khona. Abantu abakwazi uku-attack into abangayazi.
That's true. Abantu abayi-attack into abangayazi.
Abantu ba-attack into abayazi.
Ba-attack because bane personal experience. I promise you.
And in most cases wafaka social media usuvulele wonke umnyango ukuthi umuntu aphawule.
Mase phawulile busufila kanjani?
Ikhibiza wena egcineni lento.
Ilento ukuthi ke how many of us are strong enough to withstand the barrage of judgment and criticism?
And the example you made, Ndabe, uSonic kade edlula usezopostwa umuntu sekugenuine sekukuhle bamdliphize ngokudlula kwaSonic.
That's true. And can Sonic come back from that? That's another question that you need to ask. Ningamnaki lo kade khuluma lento ngami. So I'm saying, guys, whosoever uses media, window Aikali, bafethu, think twice before you press that button. Honestly, I understand the consequences, the repercussions. Imiphumela emimbi probably nemihle engase ivele ngokuthi uzi jikjele obishini lokuye endaweni ezophuma kabuhlungu. I mean, a guy who's got 7 baby mamas.
Yeah.
Then he goes on uzo admonisha obaba abangayinakekeli ingane.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know he's going to carry it.
Sure.
Yeah, bazomdlipiza othi shaw 5:15 ntambama obenjani i-account obese
sabatho uyipostela ingane yakhe yakule relationship ngithiwa lezo zinyo uyiposti ngani.
Yo,
nazo it doesn't happen, it happens all the time.
Sikuthola kanjani Ndabe?
076 33954. Ake ngiphinde mlaleli weGagas 076 33954.
Asithintanga sifika ngalapha kwama womanizers afihla kwama relationships sokuyama.
Sizofika ngiyafuna ngoba nabo bantu fanele sibakhulise this year. Bafethu womanizing doesn't help anybody. Instead it sends into
destroys
depression
you.
And anxiety. Yes. I guess sizame manje to keep with one woman and see how far we can live with that.
Ah, that's the lifestyle.
If wonke amadoda ngasayiphathe kahle ayekuphuza oludakayo ayekuhlobonga, where will we end?
Hey kuthi Ndabe nabo labo daba kayikhonje hey
bafundiswe ithini inhlamba ubuhlaza ukweyisa notshwala ungakhohlwa
yabo nje khona kade ngiphilome nabo bathi babamba ngathuma manje
No, that's a standard relationship.
Abantu besifazane babamba ngathi.
Yeah.
And it's becoming a norm. Like
it's called benching. Khona odlala insimini bese kuba khona benching.
hey bethu ukubona i-relationship yakhe perfect kanti uyabona la ukhuphuka khona unenkinga wena uthi nje uqondise abantu ahlele ngezantsi athi hawu ngiyaxolisa abeya kulo moya.
How many guys have been taken out on a dinner, taken to exotic places ngemali yomnye umshedi?
Tons.
How many times have received a gift ethengwe omunye umshedi? Thank you. Uthola iperfume emhlaba. Into ethi uhambisale ngemuva kanti ithengwe umuntu kapartner wakhe.
Kanti uyithande kuye kulo moya nawe usuyitholile.
Lazona.
Hey Nkosi yami. Kaba namba.
So blueprint iyafana. Thank you so much.
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Gagasi FM.